Welcome back to It's a Family's channel. Today we're gonna be shopping for
Fidget!
Yay! So we're gonna bring you guys along with us today to see what we can find. What is that? Oh, it's a whoop cushion.
Yeah.
Maybe we can get that and trick Daddy. Let me see. They don't have a lot of fidget stuff here.
Can I get this one? I really like it.
Let me see, Bubba, what you got?
Oh.
You want that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You see? Mommy.
Here's one in the bag.
My favorite poopy.
Which one? The poopy down there? Pick it up. Let me see.
Yeah. Where's the poopy?
Hey, grab it. It's right here.
Mine?
Yeah, let's see it. Pick it up. Oh, it's super soft.
My squishy.
Let me see.
What about poopy?
Is that what you want, Bubba? We're gonna buy the poopy for Bubba.
Yeah, purple.
What is that, Maya?
But this is actually,
What is that?
these are two fidgets. I'm thinking these are actually.
Yes, but we're only gonna get one. So which one you want? You want to get slime?
Mama.
Yes, Bubba.
Poopy. Okay, I can't. What is this?
That's a big one. That's a giant.
Okay, I'm taking this one.
It's really soft, though.
Let me see. Can I get this one?
Is that what you want, Maya?
Yeah.
Bubba, is that what you want right there?
Yeah. No.
Kayla, did you want something?
No. You just want to get like this golden. It's golden in it, though. It's golden in it.
Let me see.
It's golden. Oh. You can get all that. This is, get the
Okay. So that's the one you want, Maya?
There's another one.
Look at this one, Bubba. It's squishy. So that's the one you want, Maya? You want the giant squishy?
Yeah.
Okay.
And we'll go to Five Below, I think. I don't know.
Yeah, we're gonna go check out Five Below.
Okay. Mommy, poopy.
Yes, Bubba, it's the poopy squishies.
Can I take it out? A big giant pocket. Oh.
It's called a Squishy Ball XL.
I like it.
Bless you, Kayla. Bubba, what'd you get?
Poo-poo.
Let me see. Ew. You got poopy squishy. Ew. What does it do? Let me see. This is what Bubba got.
I just got poopy. I got you poo-poo.
Ew.
You poo-poo.
You poo-poo my ew, Maya.
I got yellow poo.
Huh?
I got yellow poo.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
I got yellow poo. Why not put a poo-poo?
Yeah, you got more.
I wanted that one.
Let Maya see one, Bubba. Can Maya hold one?
Can I have one? Mine's like so soft and squishy. Look. This goes back up when you just squish it.
Ew.
Ew, poo-poo. Ew. Poo-poo.
No. You silly. You big boy.
Go, poo-poo.
Yeah, Caleb playing with it too. Caleb.
Yeah.
Oh, you let Bubba have it? You let Caleb have it?
No.
No, you gave this to me.
You.
Well, he said that's yours.
Kill, squish it. Wait, what are you doing? Oh, simple dimples.
Oh, what?
Simple dimples.
Is that, what is that?
Simple like little contacts that you actually do, like, it's kind of like the same thing, but whatever. Let's just go.
Here at Party City, trying to see if we can find some fidgets here. What's that?
What?
What is this right here?
Wait, that.
Ooh, slime.
Ladies and gentlemen, the ooze is back.
Oh, no.
Oh, what about this?
What is that?
Wacky sand. Oh, y'all have some of this stuff at home.
Oh,
right?
no.
What is this? It's kind of hard. What is this? Let me see. Oh, that's cool. And you could decorate it. Oh, and they have squishy toys. Right here.
Well, this is hard.
Caleb, don't call him. Caleb, stop trying to scare him. Bubba, it's just a toy. It's not real. You don't have to be scared. You're scaring Bubba.
Can I get our own slime?
What kind of slime, baby? I mean,
I don't want any of these.
why not? It's cute slime. Got glitter in it. This one looked like it has like some type of animal in it. I don't know, like a horse. Oh, that's a diamond putty. So I guess there's slime in the diamond ring. That's kind of cool.
What is it? Daddy's it's something.
Let me see.
Yeah.
Okay, baby, we can get this one.
Yeah.
Stop, Maya. Yes, he is scared of it. Put it back. Put it back over here. Come on, put it back over there. Put it back on the thing. Bubba, it's not real. But, baby, it's not real.
Mike, you put it back. I'm scared.
How you scared?
You might want that. But that's what real scary.
Come on, Bubba.
Real scary. No.
It's not real, baby. Caleb, stop. Come on, Bubba. He don't want you to touch it.
No, God. Mommy, no. I want to be this.
Really, Caleb? Caleb, stop trying to scare him.
Oh, God.
Stop. You okay, Bubba? Talk on me.
Hey, do you look slushy?
Oh my God, it's spider. Looking for fidgets to shop and looking for costumes.
Okay, let's go ahead and look for fidgets.
That's what we're supposed to be doing. We're looking
Okay,
for
come on.
fidgets.
Go.
Bubba's scared.
You're slushy. I know.
Yours. Come on, we're gonna see what if they have some fidgets in here. Good morning. This is a fidget.
Mommy, this is a fidget, and this is a fidget, and the puppet spinner. was a fidget and this.
Yes, I know.
And mommy, guess what? Mama.
Is that what you want, Bubba? You want that fidget?
Yeah.
It is. What is it?
You get to stretch it.
Fungal bands. Okay. Do you want to try that, Maya?
I don't want to get too.
And they have slime.
I want this one. Wait, banana. I saw somebody try this on TikTok before you even leave.
What is that?
How do you pop it out?
I don't think you pop it out. I think you just kind of... Baby, is that the one you want? They have a hippo.
I want that one instead.
Which one? The hippo?
Yeah.
And they got an elephant.
I want the hippo.
Bubba, what did you get? What you getting?
That's for dogs.
No, it's not.
Why not doggy?
It's a fidget toy. It's not for doggies. And they have these squeezy fidgets right here too.
We already have one of those.
Yeah, one. Bubba doesn't have any. I remember the fidget spinners. Do you want a fidget spinner?
Yeah, I got 2 of these.
Okay, let's get the fidget spinner.
What's that? You look pretty.
Let's see if they have anything else.
They have these. My eat
What?
Yes.
Here, let's get this one. Let's put that one back.
This one?
Yeah, let's put that one back.
Oh, okay. Oh,
It looks like it was already kind of open.
oh, it is. It is. It is.
Okay, come on, y'all. Let's see if they have any more stuff. So we got our squishies. Now we're getting ready to go. Y'all ready to go?
Yeah. No. I can't believe he finds some now. I thought we were never gonna find some. Like never ever.
I bet.
Now we do. What are you doing?
Come on, let's go. Let's go pay for it.
We don't need to go home. Hey guys, we got this from Target, and we got all this stuff from Five Below.
No, we got that from Five Below. We got this from Five Below. This, and then we got this slime stuff right here from Party City. Party City really didn't have any fidget stuff in there, but we did end up getting, Maya ended up sneaking this slime into our little basket. And I also got this little pizza thing from Five Below. I want to try it out.
And us too. And you wanted this thing. What's it? It's so squishy. On my hand.
Bubble, nobody want to see your hand.
And buddy. Bye bye. I don't know what to do. That's what I got. Five Below. And they got these little tiny balls.
Yeah, you said they were for. You said they were for dogs. They're not for dogs. Dogs do have there is some type of toys out there for dogs like that, but yeah, they chew them. But no, this is not. This is what it is.
And you can swing it around.
Let me see.
You can stretch them. I think they can glow in the dark. Look. They glow. They stretch them. And they have
A fidget spinner. I remember when those things were just metal and you just spin it around. Remember we had fidget spinners in the house? Yeah, it still do the same thing, but now they got little poppets in it.
Yeah. I don't know when they stop making these. Oh! Mommy, it spins so fast. Don't wet.
Watch out, Bubba.
Oh, it's me.
Go ahead, Bubba. Show us your toy. What did you get? What else did you get?
My nuts are not here.
Yeah, you did. You got these. You got these smushy poopy toys, and they smell good. Smell it.
That's so cool. That's so cool. And I got this
It looks like it's a hippo.
a hippo puppet that's really small. Well, I like it. It's really fun to play with. And they have the soft side, which that I really like. And I got this big, huge ball that is really hard to play with.
It's very squishy though. It's not that hard to play with, but it's got a lot of squishy stuff on the inside. Let's open that up. Okay, Maya. Let's try these. This mini gummy pizza. Do you think it's really gonna taste like a pizza? That would be cool if it really did taste like a pizza. I mean, you know, a little bit sweet, kind of sweet, but then like a gummy, but also sweet. Something, like a pizza, but also sweet. I don't know.
And if they kind of put like something like taste like a pizza, it might be good enough. Doesn't really have to matter.
It looks like bananas.
Yeah, that's what I
Wait a
just
minute.
said.
Wait a minute. What is that?
I don't know. It's called pizza.
I don't eat no pizza. No, what is it? I don't eat no, what is it? Bananas on my pizza. I mean, I eat banana peppers, but I don't think these are banana peppers. These look just like bananas. Girl, when you're struggling, open it up. Let's see. It smells good. What you gonna try? The bananas?
Yeah.
I wonder why they put bananas in it.
Ew.
It's supposed to be like a pizza.
Actually,
I like it.
they taste like banana.
It don't taste like a banana. It just tastes like, I mean, it's not like a banana, but I don't know. Something about it is kind of good. You don't like it? It would be so cool if they really made like this stuff taste like if this really tastes like an egg. You wanna try it?
What's this thing that we do?
Just kidding.
You like what?
I'm just kidding.
Ew!
No, don't spit it out. You gotta eat it, Maya. You gotta eat it. You gotta eat it. You gotta eat it. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you like it. And if you did, can you please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to It's a Family. Bubba, say bye.
Bye.